Hello, happy Friday. Happy Fridays, all. Um, my eyes are still squint. Oh God, it's all peculiar. This is. I don't know. Uh, oh my God. From what I can see two of me in this thing. Yeah. So right, I'm sorting it out. I yeah, one way or the other, I'll sort it out. See what's going on. It's as if the eye muscles in my left eyeball have gone. It wasn't when I was trying to do cross eyes the other day, maybe, right? And snapped the muscle. I don't know. Can't feel anything. Can't feel anything going on. I really don't know. I've been trying to phone the doctor's surgery at 8, and it's constantly engaged tone. The health centre in the village. Yeah. Everything's gone to pieces, man. What a time for this to happen. What a time for this to happen. I think I'll try and go for a walk carefully in a minute. Get some fresh air and get some long distance looking and things like that. Um, Yesterday they advised me to phone the local ophthalmist, is it? And they don't open until about 9:30, 10 o'clock. Well, online they say 9:30. I've left them a message, so they may start answering the phones at 9:30 and open at 10. So, this is a bit of a panic in my life at the moment. It's very strange. I'm suddenly seeing life like a double-decker bus. There's one I can see there, and there's another version of what I can see up there. It's like that and like that. Very peculiar. And it just happened. It just came on just like that. I was lying here on the bed, as I said, looking at this. And right, anyway, have a good Friday and weekend.